Good evening, candidates. This is for Bank of Baroda, relationship officers, for relationship manager, for liabilities, as well as MSME candidates on contract basis. So, what are the things you have to prepare for this interview? I will just tell you. I have given you certain materials. I'll be giving you certain materials on your joining our group by paying rupees 610, which is for the materials, videos, and also for conducting 2 mock interviews for you. And I will be putting you as a member of a group, WhatsApp group, formed for this purpose. And not only that, you have to join another WhatsApp group for newspapers. Then I'll be giving you some materials. I'll be giving you some 1 minute. I am there very much online. I am giving you the link once again. I have already started the lecture. You come and join, no problem. Okay. Yeah. Now I was telling you that what are the materials I am giving you. For example, you come and join that group there. You come and join the Google Meet. Yeah. Now you can join the newspaper group also. And apart from that, yeah, one candidate is joining. One candidate is joining now. So I was telling you about the, say, WhatsApp group formed for this purpose and also for newspaper. Besides that, I am giving you certain materials on banking. So all that is okay. But what is more important is that, and apart from that, I am giving you certain videos of Bank of Baroda relationship manager videos. That is for liability and also for MSME. Quite a number of candidates have been selected after undergoing training through us in Bank of Baroda as MSME manager. It is not due to my teaching them. It is all due to their efforts. But I will guide you now. What are the things you have to prepare? I have given you one more link for who is who that will tell you the 50 top important personalities, holding officers. And I have given you one more link for general awareness. Lot of current affairs also you can see from that. Reserve Bank guidelines also you can read from the materials given to you. And then union budget highlights you have to go through. Apart from that, I have given you one ChatGPT download with a list of topics. If you go through that, you will know there are some portions wherein questions about relationship manager for liabilities, for MSMEs, they are given therein. So you can prepare on that also. Apart from that, what is required to succeed in an interview, you must be knowing about your native place, you must be able to tell about your degree, college, achievements made during that period. And now, since you are all employees working in a bank, you must be able to tell what is the achievement you have made in your office. What is it you are doing every day? Your day starts with what? Your day ends with what? What are the achievements you have made in the last 3 months or 6 months? Like that, you must be able to tell about it yourself. That is what is more important. here in my experience, I have seen people who feel good about themselves, those who feel that they are doing a good service, they are capable of performing the task correctly, they are selected by our Bank of Baroda. In fact, you have to believe me. There are cases of a candidate who has been a clerk only for 11 years. He was only a clerk in 11 years in a private sector bank, but the person is very good in MSME details. He knows what is MSME, what are the various conditions for MSME, what is the portal for MSME, how to contact a new MSME borrower, what we have to do if an MSME borrower approaches us. Everything he knows because he has been doing work in that area. The bank expects you to have a fairly good experience in having canvassed, say, MSME borrowers. So you know about the different types of industries in which you have financed. They will ask you what is the major finance given by you for an MSME. What are they doing? Are they manufacturing, or are they into trading, or are they into servicing? They will ask you all that. Not only that, when you go for MSME, you must be thorough with what is an MSME and what are the various facilities given by Bank of Baroda to MSME. You can get it from their website. And after that, say what is the contribution of MSME to our economy, to our GDP, to our exports, to our employment. Like this, what are all the factors relating to MSME? You should get to know about it. Further, also know what are the facilities that the companies require, say term loan, then over cash credit or overdraft or working capital, how to assess term loan, how to assess working capital. All these details, if you can practice or if you can read and tell in the interview, you will be selected. But people who do not have exposure to MSME, people who have not been understanding the problems of MSME, it is difficult for you to convince the interviewers. See, if you are going for liability, that is deposits, you should tell how you will go for canvassing of deposits. And similarly, here you must tell what are the strategies you will be following to get success in this. This you can do by talking to your own bank relationship people. Ask them what are the major responsibilities, how to perform it. You can talk to them. It's not that I don't know, I know it, but I want you to learn it by yourself and come here and talk to me in your first mock. I will correct you, and in the second mock interview, you will be able to do well. So this is what is important. Apart from this, you must know basics of banking, liabilities, also assets, and how to canvass liabilities, how to canvass assets, and regarding MSME minister in your state, MSME minister in the central government, all these details you must know. Who is the industries minister? You must know. And you must prepare very well. You must be an all-rounder. You must know every aspect of banking and banking related areas. You must also know broad ideas about life insurance and general insurance, and prepare on these lines. And you must know about RBI, its functions. You must know about SEBI and its functions. You must also know what is IRDAI doing, its functions. Likewise, you must be a master of all these details. Of course, I will be giving you a folder known as Credit Officers folder, wherein you will have lot of particulars regarding, say, assessment of credit and all that, like working capital, then current ratio, then debt service coverage ratio, what is return on assets ratio. Likewise, everything you can get to know about it. And apart from that, you should know about Bank of Baroda's performance in the last quarter. What is their total deposits? What is their total advances? What is the profit made by them? What is their gross NPA figure? What is their net NPA? Not figure, percentage. Likewise, you must know all these details. You should go to the website and get to know the details. Get details in terms of lakhs, not exact rupees. Then what is the return on assets of the bank? What is return on equity of the bank? What is the share price? Bank of Baroda share price in the Bombay Stock Exchange? What is its market capitalization? All these things you must know. You are all bank employees. You must know how to calculate market capitalization and how to see the rates and all this. You must prepare and equip yourself well. And thereafter, you should, when you come for the interview, must be able to tell with the confidence, like how will you canvass for new customers and how will you approach them, how will you convince them. Then you must also tell why you are more suitable for this post, what are the strengths you have, what are your weaknesses. Like this angle, you have to prepare yourself. I have given you credit officer folder, lot of things are there. You may not have time, but at least get to know the broad ideas about MSME. You can also search in ChatGPT and get it. What is MSME? What is the definition of MSME? Then what are the portal for Geomi portal or so? What is the role of SIDB in this regard? Please go through. I think you are going for Bank of Baroda. So still you must go through SBICREDITOFFICER website, get to know what is the contribution of SBICREDITOFFICER to MSME sector, in what way they are helping commercial banks, like that. These details you must know so that you can contribute well in your mock interviews with me. So this is what it is. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. And I have already told you about, and apart from that, this time I have given some more points like economic terms, then regulatory compliances. Then I have given one banking awareness full material. Just to go through that. And if you don't have time to go through that, please go through the website of Bank of Baroda thoroughly. If you are going for liabilities, deposit side. If you are going for advances, MSME, that retail loans given by bank and also MS. If you prepare on these lines, I am sure you can succeed in the interview. What is more important is you should feel good about yourself. You must feel you are an asset for the organization. You must also tell what you will bring the bank if they take you as a, say, MSME relationship manager. So these are the things. Many of you who are applying for this are only relationship managers, probably in private sector banks. So banking is not new to you. Loans is not new to you. Deposits is not new to you. Customer is not new to you. You must enjoy talking on these lines by preparing. on the points I have been telling you. I will give you a link known as ChatGPT link, wherein I have downloaded questions based on MSME and all. You can go through that. You can make a search if that you will get it and prepare. And in case you come across a relationship manager deposits, kindly change it to suit for advances. That is how you have to prepare. And in this case, what is required is success in your previous experience, success you are expecting in your next assignment. And you know, this is a contract job. So they will renew the contract only if you are able to achieve the targets. I don't know what is the target they are giving for MSME. In respect of deposits, I know many banks, they give target of say 20 accounts in a month or 5 accounts, current accounts in a month, and total amount this much deposits, like that they tell. So here I do not know what they, I think they will fix you a limit. This many number of accounts we want you to get. And we want you to see that the loan length is this much. I'm not sure whether it is 2 crores or 3 crores or 5 crores. We have to check up from somebody who is already an MSME officer. So this is what it is. And further tricks about it, maybe we will discuss when you come for the first mock exam. So any questions at this stage, please? Excuse me. Thank you. Bye.